7 phrases
That is all you need.
to say no in English warmly, honestly, without feeling rude or guilty for even 1 second.
Stay with us, because by the end of this episode, saying no will never feel scary again. Hey, English learners, welcome back to Spoken Warm.
I am Mia.
And I am Leo. And today, we are talking about the hardest 2 letters in the English language.
N-O. No.
Such a small word. Such a big problem.
Right? Because logically, no is just a word. 2 letters. Very simple. And yet somehow, those 2 letters feel enormous when you actually need to say them. Quick question before we start. Is there something in your life right now that you need to say no to? Write it in the comments. You do not have to say what it is. Just write, I need to say no to something. We will be reading every single one. Okay. Can I be honest about something? Always.
Last week, someone asked me to help them with something. A big project. It was going to take hours.
And you were already busy.
I was exhausted. I had my own work, my own deadlines. Every part of me was saying,
Please no.
not today. Not today. I am completely overwhelmed.
And what came out of your mouth?
Sure. No problem. Happy to help.
And then you went home feeling
Tired. Frustrated. Slightly angry at myself.
because you said yes when you meant no.
And the worst part? Nobody forced me. I did it to myself.
Because saying no in English feels so hard sometimes.
It feels rude.
It feels selfish.
It feels like you are a bad person just for wanting a little space.
But you are not.
You are really not.
And today, we are going to give you 7 real phrases to say no in English. Warmly, honestly, and without feeling like you just committed a crime.
But first, you need to understand why saying no feels so hard. Because once you understand that, the 7 phrases will make complete sense, and you will actually use them.
Stay with us. This next part is important.
So, why is this so difficult?
Because we aren't just saying no to a request.
We're saying no to a person, and that feels personal.
Exactly. And for English learners, there is an extra layer.
Right. Because in your first language, you probably already know how to soften a no. You know the right words, the right tone.
But in English, you aren't sure how it sounds.
Will it sound rude? Will they be offended? Will they think less of me?
And when you are not sure, it is safer to just say yes.
Even when you do not mean it.
Even when you are exhausted.
Even when you really, really need to say no.
But here is the problem with always saying yes.
What problem?
When you say yes, when you mean no, you show up tired. You show up resentful. You are physically present, but emotionally gone.
And is that really kind to them?
No, it is not. A real yes is worth 10 tired yeses.
A real yes is worth everything.
So how do you say no? Honestly, but still warmly, still kindly.
That is exactly what the 7 phrases do. 3 is the one most people never know. And it is the most powerful one.
But we start with phrase 1. Are you ready?
Phrase number 1.
I appreciate you asking, but
Say it with us slowly. I appreciate you asking. But
I appreciate you asking, but
why does this work so well? Because you are doing two things at exactly the same time. You are thanking the person, showing them they matter, and then you are saying no.
so the no lands softly, like a pillow, not a wall.
For example, I appreciate you asking, but I will not be able to join this time.
Or, I appreciate you asking, but I need to rest this weekend.
Both completely honest, both completely warm. No guilt needed.
Phrase number 2.
I would love to, but
Say it with us. I would love to, but
I would love to, but
this one changes everything. Because you are not saying, I do not want to. You are saying, I would love to, but something is stopping me.
For example, I would love to come, but I already have plans.
Or, I would love to help, but I am completely overwhelmed right now.
Both honest, both kind, zero rudeness.
Phrase number 3.
And this is the one I promised you earlier, the one most people never know.
Can I get back to you on that?
Say it with us.
Can I get back to you on that?
This is perfect when you are not 100% sure, or when you need time to think, or when you just need a moment before you commit to anything.
Because sometimes we say yes too fast. Someone asks and immediately, yes, 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 before we even thought about whether we have the energy or time.
And this phrase gives you space, gives you time. It is not a no, it is not a yes. It is, let me think about this properly.
And most people will completely respect that.
Quick question. Which phrase do you think you will use first? Phrase 1, 2, or 3? Write it in the comments. We want to know.
Phrase number 4. I cannot do that right now, but maybe I could help with... Say it with us. I cannot do that right now, but maybe I could help with...
I cannot do that right now, but maybe I could help with.
This is the no that gives something back.
So, I cannot meet on Thursday, but maybe Friday works?
Or, I cannot take on the full project, but I could help with one small part.
You are still saying no to the original thing, but you are offering something real, something honest.
And that shows the person you care. You are not just shutting the door. You are finding another way.
Now, phrases 5, 6, and 7 are the most powerful ones.
Because these 3 you can use in any situation, any conversation, any language level.
And once you hear them, you will use them every single week. Phrase number 5. I need to pass on this one.
Say it with us.
I need to pass on this one.
No explanation, no apology. Just, I need to pass on this one.
And what makes this powerful is what it does not have. It does not have sorry. It does not have unfortunately. It does not have I wish I could, but sadly.
It is clean and direct. And in English, clean and direct does not mean rude. It means confident.
And confident people are respected, even when they say no.
Phrase number 6.
That does not work for me.
Say it with us.
That does not work for me.
This one is beautiful because it is completely neutral. You are not blaming anyone. You are not making excuses. You are simply saying, this does not fit my life right now.
For example, that time does not work for me. Can we find another?
Or, that arrangement does not work for me, but I am open to other ideas.
Professional, calm, completely honest.
And phrase number 7, the final one, and my personal favorite.
I am not able to commit to that right now.
Say it with us. I am not able to commit to that right now.
I am not able to commit to that right now.
The word commit is powerful here because it shows you take your word seriously. You are not saying, I do not want to. You are saying, I cannot give you my full commitment. And I respect you enough not to promise something I cannot deliver.
That is not selfish. That is mature.
That is honest.
Okay, you have the 7 phrases now. But what about the guilt?
Because for a lot of people, even after saying no perfectly, there is still this feeling.
This little voice that says, should I have said yes? Did I hurt them? Are they upset with me?
Am I a bad person for saying no?
And this is the most important thing in this whole episode. More important than all 7 phrases.
Are you ready to hear it?
Saying no is not selfish. Saying no is honest. And honesty is one of the kindest things you can offer someone.
Because if you say yes when you mean no, you show up tired, resentful, physically present, but emotionally gone.
And is that really kind to them?
No.
A real yes is worth everything.
So when you say no honestly, you are protecting your yes. Making sure that when you do say yes, you really mean it.
And the people who matter, the real ones, they understand that. They respect that. And if someone gets angry at you for saying no kindly and honestly,
That says something about them, not about you. Before the word tour, one question.
Is there someone in your life who makes it hard to say no?
A friend? A colleague? A family member?
You do not have to say who. Just write, yes, there is someone.
Because you are not alone in this. And your comment might help someone else who is reading this today.
all right. Time for our word tour. 5 words from today. Deep, slow, human.
Let us begin.
Word 1, overwhelmed.
If you feel overwhelmed, you have too much happening at once. Too many tasks, too many feelings, too many responsibilities. Everything feels like too much.
For example, I feel completely overwhelmed with work this week.
Or, I cannot take on anything new. I am overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed is not weakness. Overwhelmed is honesty.
Say it with us. Overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. Word 2, commitment.
A commitment is a promise you make to do something. When you say yes to someone, you are making a commitment.
For example, I already have a commitment that evening. I cannot come.
Or, I take my commitments seriously, so I need to say no to this one. Using the word commitment makes your no sound mature and responsible. Not selfish, responsible.
Say it with us.
Commitment.
Commitment.
Phrase 3, pass on.
If you pass on something, you choose not to do it or not to take it.
For example, I think I will pass on dessert tonight.
Or, I need to pass on this project. I do not have the capacity right now.
Pass on is gentle. It does not sound aggressive. It sounds like a quiet, calm choice.
Say it with us. I need to pass on this one.
I need to pass on this one.
Word 4. Capacity.
Capacity means the amount you are able to do or handle. Your capacity is your limit.
For example, I do not have the capacity to take on anything new right now.
Or, I am at full capacity this week. Can we talk next week?
Capacity is a beautiful word because it is completely honest and completely neutral. You are not saying you do not want to. You are saying you genuinely cannot.
Your tank is full.
Say it with us. Capacity. Capacity. And our final word, commit.
To commit means to promise to do something fully, with your full energy and attention.
For example, I cannot commit to that right now.
Or, I only commit to things I can do properly.
Commit sounds strong. It sounds responsible. It shows that you value your word.
Say it with us. I cannot commit to that right now.
I cannot commit to that right now. So, today's 7 phrases.
I appreciate you asking, but I would love to, but
Can I get back to you on that?
I cannot do that right now. But I need to pass on this one. That does not work for me. I am not able to commit to that right now.
Write them down. Say them out loud right now. Use one of them this week.
And remember,
Saying no is not the end of a relationship.
It is the beginning of an honest one.
A real yes is worth everything. Protect it. And if this episode helped you, subscribe to Spoken Warm, because we have a new episode every single week, built around things you actually feel, things nobody else talks about. And tell us in the comments, which phrase will you use first? We are waiting to hear from you. See you in the next episode, English learners.
Take care. Bye for now. Happy learning.